Contact and Conflict, Unit 2.4. At the end of this activity, you should know the decline of Mesopotamia's civilization. The AWL words for this unit are decline, job, economy, technology, contact, and conflict. So please look for them on this page or in this reading. So first, let's look at the map of trade in Mesopotamia. Click on here. We can see these little red dots here. Here is Mesopotamia, right? So in these areas, people traded food and other goods with each other in these places. These were the main places for trading. You can also see way over here in Israel and in Egypt as well, they traded with the Egyptians. You can also see up here in Greece. So let's go back to the reading here. Contact and conflict, and there are 5 questions I would like you to answer. Not that one. Here we go. Contact and conflict. Each of Mesopotamia's 4 civilizations, Sumer, Babylon, Assyria, and Chaldea, became powerful and then declined. Decline is a verb, to decrease in quantity or importance. For example, after Hammurabi, Babylon slowly declined and eventually was destroyed by the Persian Empire. So decline means to go down or decrease. As we already learned, the extra food produced by farming allowed other people to do different jobs. A job is a noun, the regular paid work a person does. For example, one of the new jobs in Mesopotamia was a scribe. They would record all important transactions in cuneiform on clay tablets. So basically, a scribe is the person who writes things down. People learned how to make many beautiful and useful things. These goods were traded between cities and with other peoples or civilizations. Mesopotamia was at the center of many trade routes. Most trade was done through the barter system. In the barter system, goods are exchanged for other goods. Mesopotamia had a good economy. Economy is also a noun. The meaning, the system by which a country's wealth is produced and used. For example, the Mesopotamian economy was based on cereal grains like barley. So economy, basically money. Money system. Trading with other peoples brought more than goods. The people of Mesopotamia also learned about other people's religion, language, and technology. The trade in ideas was very important to Mesopotamia. So it wasn't just trading goods, they also traded ideas. Technology is a noun. For example, new tools, methods of transportation, and ways of doing things based on scientific knowledge. Example sentence, we live in a world surrounded by technology, such as computers, mobile or cell phones, and cars that have made our lives easier. Not all contact was peaceful. Some contact led to war. A lot of what we know about Mesopotamia's contact and conflict comes from artifacts. We know from artifacts that people of Mesopotamia made slaves out of the people they defeated in battle. So artifacts, this word here, are just things that we found in the ground after we dug them up with a shovel or something that people found in the earth, in the soil. Okay, things. So, contact is an AWL word. Here it is a noun. Contact means communication with another person, organization, or country. For example, please contact the school during regular school hours if you would like to visit. Conflict is also an AWL word. Conflict is a noun. It means a state of disagreement or argument between people, groups, or countries. So basically like fighting. Example, sentence, the conflict between Babylon and Persia would see the end of city-state rule in the Fertile Crescent. Remember, Fertile Crescent is another way to say Mesopotamia. Okay, so here you can see a Mesopotamian man making a chariot. So basically a horse would pull this, okay? So this person was doing a job other than farming. He was building a chariot. This one here, okay, a Mesopotamian chariot maker. And then here, you can see the chariot and the horse is pulling the chariot. Mesopotamians fought from the back of wheeled chariots after they were introduced by the Assyrians. So, like I said, people didn't just trade goods. They also traded ideas, and so they learned to make this chariot from other people. Okay? So, please try your best to answer these 5 questions. Number 1. What happened to each of Mesopotamia's 4 civilizations? Number 2. What allowed people to do different jobs? Number 3. What is the barter system? Explain how you would buy a new pencil in a barter system. Number 4. Besides goods, what else did trade with other peoples bring to Mesopotamia? And then finally, number 5. How do we know about Mesopotamia's contact and conflict?